We're going to be doing the last day of the hackathon, of the internal company hackathon here at PubNub. We are going to be optimizing the user interface, So the user experience, we've got it. We've got Waldo. We found Waldo, the AI agent. We found Waldo. The AI agent can find Waldo. It does a very good job. It does as good as I want it to do. It finds and highlights the candidate Waldos. It does a very good job. So there are, if you're familiar with the Where's Waldo or where the Wally is, or whatever, it's a different name depending on where you're from. The character Waldo. Here, let's check this out. Here on the screen, we did it, you guys. We did it. We're here. We're early this time. Usually I'm just back to back in meetings at this time of day. But luckily, we were able to get started early this time because of the hackathon schedule. It's the last day before presentations, which is tomorrow, and that means that we can start early today. So that means a little bit easier schedule for everyone else who's joining. It was really exciting. This is actually, I'm really excited to check this out. It works. Do you remember last stream when we ended the stream and we were like, okay, let's test this image, and we tested it and it didn't show any highlighting? And everyone said on the stream, you said, why don't you just, the image needs to be bigger because it was too small. And you know what? You're right. Look. So I increased the resolution of the image so that way it had enough pixels to work with, and it found it. It works, you guys. It works so well. I'm so happy with these results. It is so cool. I'm very satisfied. It does a very good job. We have an AI agent. You guys, we did it. We're in the future. We have an AI agent that can find Waldo. Now, here's the point. Here's the deal. Obviously, it's silly. It's obviously silly, right? That we have an AI agent that can solve a puzzle. I mean, sure, it's meant for human entertainment, right? It's meant for human entertainment. Check it out. This is so cool. I'm very satisfied. It's got the heat map. It's got it here. It highlights the candidates. It works, you guys. It works. Okay, so the problem is, the thing that we need to solve for today is I want the user experience to be more than just waiting for a progress bar to fill in. I want it to be more than just this progress bar that shows across the screen. I want you to see the AI's thought process every single segment. I want to see every single segment show up on the screen as a processed. I want to see that live. That's what I want to see. That's what we want the UI to look like. And that'll be today's plan. That's what we're going to be building today. Okay, here we go. All right, so let's see here. All right, so we've got our improved algorithm that does good enough. Yes, there's a candidate over here that, obviously we can go a step further. In the prompt, you can add a check for full shirt and full jeans with no expose of skin except for hands and face. We could go a step further. You're totally right. We could, for example, so we do have, we have a candidate here, and then we have a candidate here. And we could go a step further and see if we could get, sort of filter out the last one and get 100% accuracy. We totally could. So here, that'll be a stretch goal. So we'll try to do that after we finish because this is the last day of the stream, or of the hackathon. We'll be streaming tomorrow, of course, but after the presentations, which is going to be, so it'll be a much later stream tomorrow. Is what we're going to do. Scope user, we're going to call it PubNub, and then we're going to use the demo keys. We're going to use demo because demo keys are free keys that are available to everyone. Demo keys, here we go. Free forever. PubNub NCP, and then we don't want that. There we go. I think this is it. Boom. Okay, add an NCP. Perfect. All right. Hell yeah, UNC or valid ASL. Is that sports? Hey, Jack Keeble. How's it going? Jack Keeble, welcome in. We're on the last day of the hackathon today. We're going to be updating the user experience. We're going to update the user experience so that when the AI is searching for Waldo, we will be able to see the screen populate with these grids, like in real time. So I needed to get the MCP server installed so we can make that happen. Here we go. All right, so Claude, and then we're going to go /MCP, and then we're going to see it's going to connecting. Let's see, make sure it connects. We got to make sure it connects. I surely hope that we don't hit some sort of, make a prompt. We're going to make a new prompt. This one is going, I wonder if we can one-shot this guy. Can we one-shot this? Chat, do you think we can one-shot this? I don't know. I actually don't know if we can one-shot this in one prompt, but we're going to try. Update user experience so that the UI is populated with each segment grid as the AI server AI is processed. I think that's fine. It's mixed English, but it doesn't matter. Let's give it a shot. Error G. All right, perfect. We're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna try one shot. We're gonna try to one shot this, you guys. We're gonna make it happen. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Use the PubNub MCP server. Subscribe. Okay. Then we want to subscribe on the HTML JavaScript UI front end. The channel on the server side, we want to publish on the server results of each of the AI segments processed by the tool call. Man, we are here's what we're doing. We're on hackathon day 3. The goal, this is an internal company hackathon. I'm also participating, but only while on stream. And the goal is you have to use generative coding. You have to use generative coding. So Codex, Gemini, Claude, Cursor, Windsurf. You have to use generative coding. And here's the extra catch. You cannot manually edit any of the code. You cannot manually edit the code. You cannot manually edit the code. That is the rule. And here's why. Because we want to see how far we can push these generative coding systems. Can we push them all the way to where we can use them constantly and only use them going forward for the rest of our lives? I think the answer is yes, because I'm kind of into that point already. I think we totally do it. I enjoy it so much. I only want to use it now. Did we find Waldo? We did. Check it out. We did. We found Waldo. Check it out. Check it out. Here we go. Look. So this is one of the images at the end of the last stream, at the end of the previous stream. This image didn't work, but chat, you guys figured it out. You're like, oh, the image is too small. We just need to, scale it up so that way the AI has enough pixels to work with. And it worked. You were totally right. So it found the Waldo candidate. So you can see here, we've got the heat map. The heat map is showing the overlay. And if we scroll down, you can see, yep, so we got Waldo's right here on the screen. You can see Waldo right there. And then we have a Waldo candidate that's a lookalike. I think this is good. I think this is fantastic. And that's why we built this, to demonstrate what is possible with these AI systems, you guys. It is amazing. We are so close to the future right now. What you're looking at is exactly what you're going to see for the next 10 to 15 years. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. Okay, here we go. Let's read through our plan here. Let's read through the plan. Implementation plan, real-time PubNub integration. Install PubNub SDK. Configure PubNub client with this API keys. Create channel management utilities for random channel generation. Front end. Add PubNub JavaScript. Okay. Implement subscriber to listen for real-time segment results. Generate random channel name when the image is uploaded. Send channel name with the image uploaded request. All right, cool. Okay, we're running out of time, you guys. We're running out of time. We have to get this going. All right, so let's see if we can finish this. Let's see if we can finish this. Modify find model endpoint to accept channel modifier. Anthropic JS client to publish individual segment results as they complete. Publish progress updates and segment data the user's channels. Maintain backward compatibility. Update canvas rendering. Implement real-time heat map updates. Add live. Okay, so this looks like it. This looks like it's what we want. Yes, go. Okay. Go. Okay, cool. Here we go, you guys. Here we go. Did it work? Did it work? Okay, it says it worked. I mean, usually, here's what happens. The generative coding agents, they always say it works. But does it really work? Does it really work? Individual segments. Reduce batch size to 10 to 20 for more responsive updates. Oh, no. Okay, so we need to fix this. This is a problem right here. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. Okay, so this is a problem because the batch size, I had it at 20 because it works a lot better when it's 20. For more responsive updates, okay, here's what we're going to do. We're just going to see how it works now, and then we'll optimize it a bit later. Okay, we're almost done here. Let's see here. You came in right as we're ending. We're not ending yet, though. We have to get this to go. Okay, so let's upload this. Let's do the big one. Open. Okay. Is it going to work? Find objects. Boom. Go. Okay. Processing. Analyzing with heat map. Is it going to work? Okay. So we're going to see, we should see like 5 grids show up all at once. 5 grids show up all at once. Is it working? Results will appear in real time. Let's do kill all node. We'll start npm start. We need to see if there's any errors here. All right. Let's reload. Start over, you guys. There we go. Boom. Find objects. Okay. Processing with image update on Waldo. Okay, so it's got the right channel. Let's see if that's the right channel. Subscribe to. Yep, looks like it. Looks like it. Looks like we're on the right channel. Excellent. All right, let's see. We've got our last thing to do here. Let's see. Server. Let's bring that back up and then go over here. Okay. Let's see if we can get it to work, you guys. Let's see if we can get it to work. Find objects. Okay. Subscribed. Oh, we're getting data. Data's coming in. Data's coming in. It's looking like where things are happening. We got some errors. Oh, we got some errors. Okay. We got some errors. Request URI too long. Okay. We can fix that. We can fix that. We can fix it, you guys. We can fix it. 1 second. Let me see if we can figure. So we have really quick here. 1 second. All right. Request URI too long. Let's see if we can fix this. But perfect. Perfect. Chayton, perfect. Sounds good. Just saw your message. 1 second. Error processing batch. Rest date. Okay. So the batch is too big. So I think what's happening is it's publishing the batch of 5, but instead of publishing, so here, I think this is the answer. Request. Let's see. API request. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. I'm going to bring this in. Here we go. Let's just copy and paste that. And then we're going to bring this back over here. Okay. And we'll say instead of publishing a batch of 5, publish each individual response from the AI as it comes in. Okay, let's see if that works. How is Claude doing this session? I'd say fine. There was a night. Have you seen that yet? Have you seen that? There's like a little built-in feedback system. That was kind of neat. Okay, you guys. So here's the plan. We're going to fix this bug, and then we got to get going. We're going to fix this bug. We're going to make sure it works, and we're going to make sure it's pretty. And then we're done. And then we're done. And then we win. And then we succeeded. And then we've completed our hackathon project, and we'll be ready for tomorrow. What do we want to do tomorrow, you guys? What's the plan for tomorrow's stream? I don't know. I don't know what the plan for. Oh, it's doing something. Generated 161 segments. It's got we're seeing 1 of 161. Okay. Is it going to work? I don't know. We got data back. Is it going to work? Okay. So it's showing the segments, but it's not showing up on the map. Oh, no, it is. It's showing up. You guys, it's working. Look, it's working. Is it going to show number 4? What we have to do is, it got really slow all of a sudden. So what we got to do is is it actually really, what's going on here? It just stopped. It stopped at 3. Did it break? Oh, no, that's something else. Where's here? Is it, oh, no, it got to number 4. So it slowed down because it's no longer doing batches. So I need to fix that. Okay, so it is working, but it's so slow because it's not batching anymore. So you can see it's popping in here one at a time, you guys, but it's like way too slow. We got to batch that up, but it's, oh, wait, we got a false positive over here on 34. What's number 34? That's interesting. So here's one of the problems. I hope that, okay, so is it going to get red here? So here's Waldo right here. Here's Waldo. Are we going to get a heat map on Waldo? You guys? Is it going to work? Are we going to get a heat map on Waldo? We do need to update the algorithm. Oh, wait. Look, you guys, look. It found it. Isn't that cool? We did it, you guys. We did it. It found him. We're in the future now. We are in the future. We're in the future, you guys. This to go back into batch mode. I need this to go back into batch mode. It's too slow. It's too slow right now. So we need to go back to batch mode. Let's see how we can do it. Utils, image, and here we go. Batch, BATCH, \C. No batching for real-time updates. See, this is a problem. Right here. We want to do batching. We want to implement batching, but we want to also update. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. Let's clear that. Okay. Utils, / Anthropic client. There is a slow. Oh, so it's slow. Too slow. Need to batch by 20. But for each result in real time, results in real time, we want to publish the results on the channel. Needs to be async, and we must oh, and batching at 20 a time. Perfect. Let's go to plan mode. This is the last thing we're going to do, you guys. This will be the last thing for the stream. And then we'll wrap up here. We'll do the last thing here for the stream. And then we want to make that look good. Because right now, as you can tell, is at least it's working. We did have a weird little false positive over here. Looks like right around here. But maybe the blue pants, maybe some... We're going to get to the AI to make this change, and then we're done. As long as it works well, and it's the same speed, and we see the results in real time, we win. All right, let's see here. Okay, current issue. Function segments sequentially one at a time, which is slow. We need to batch 20 segments. Yep. Solution. Split segments into 20 batches using array. Batch can promise all settled. Process batches concurrently using all settled. In JavaScript method takes iterable promises a single return promise resolved after all input have perfect resumed in. So you can see Waldo's right here, and it finds you can see the AI. It highlights it with a heat map when it finds Waldo. But the current problem is that it's doing one segment at a time, and it's way too slow. So we need to bring back the fast. Where it was processing 20 segments at a time. So let's see if we can get that to work. Yes, do. Make it happen. Make it happen, please. Okay. We hit UI request is too long again. See, the AI is trying to bundle everything up into a giant one single publish. Maybe instead of, we can just have it publish, instead of 20 all in one bundle, we can have them iterate sequentially. So kill. And go node. And here, I think we're gonna have the same error again. Let's start this over. Waldo test. Here we go, you guys. Any reference link I can go through for this? Maybe. So here's the thing. I do have a GitHub repository, but it has my. Look. Actually, it looks really. Although the grid numbers are coming in the wrong order. They are coming in weirdly. Is this going to be a problem? Is this? I don't know. I can't tell. I cannot tell. Is this a problem? It feels like it might be a problem. But it finds Waldo. It finds Waldo perfectly fine. Okay. I'm going to call that done. I'm calling this done because it actually highlights Waldo. It's so cool, you guys. It looks like something's happening. I know. It works, you guys. It works. We did it. We did it together. It looks awesome. You guys, you helped so much on chat. Thank you. Thank you for spending your time here. We were able to complete our hackathon project on the last day. We made it look... It looks great. It's a good user experience. We can see things happening. We can see it's resulting all the processes. It looks great. I would like to see this finish really quick. Processing. There's 160 segments. Oh, did the server crash? No, it's still going. No crashes yet. Okay. Oh, here it comes in. The next batch came in. It was from the help of you as well, because with your algorithms and your improvements, we were able to make an AI agent that can find Waldo. We made an AI agent that could find Waldo. It works, you guys. It works. And you helped, and you made it real. You made it real, you guys. Thank you so much. All right, so that was the end of our stream. Let's see. Do we still have... Is that it? Did it get everything? Oh, processing. Let's see. Congratulations. Thank you, guys. It's more exciting when numbers are appearing randomly. Yeah, it is. It is more exciting. I totally agree. It looks really good. There's one thing that's missing. It used to have on the screen. It used to have... Maybe did a server crash? Yep, there was a publishing error on REST API processing. Probably the last message. So here's the deal. All these like really cool like analyses, you could see the reasonings. There's all these reasonings about how it found it. It no longer shows up in the UI. Probably because the last message was too big. But I think we're good, you guys. I think we did it. I'm more than happy with this outcome because it actually shows that it works and you can see it working in real time. We did it, you guys. We did it. It's so cool. That's why I'm amazed how LLMs can do this. I know, right? Isn't it crazy? Please reference links so you can go through it. Okay, Cromer, I will. I'll reference the link. I need to make a separate repo that I'll make public that excludes my API key because I committed my API key. I know. It's something that you're not supposed to do. You're supposed to keep it in environmental variables, but I committed the API key. Actually, wrapping up stream. Yeah, we're coding. We're done, though. We're done. We did it. We built an AI agent that, and it will work. It'll work. So all you have to do is make sure your API key is in the env file for your Anthropic. So you need your .env. You need to require it. So that way it has your API key, your Anthropic API key. And then once you have that, it's going to use a multimodal AI that has vision detection and text detection. And it will find Waldo. It does a really good job. We did it, you guys. We're done. We did it. That means we're ending stream though, because we're finally done. Will there be a day 4 tomorrow, or will you take a break? A bridge tool. We're done with the hackathon, and we're going to move on to something new. Here we go, you guys. We're going to do one last. Let me double check here. Is the server still running? I think it is. All right, server still running. We're going to do this one last test, and this will be the goodbye. This will be the goodbye test. Find objects. Okay, here we go. The AI processing 128 segments. It's starting. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it'll show up. You'll see it in highlighted. It will be, you'll see it. It'll be heat map. It'll be a heat map, you guys. It'll be a heat map. Is the AI gonna find Waldo? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Here we go. You're gonna see it in real time. I hope it works. I really do, because we worked really hard, and it found him. It found him. Look, you guys, it found him. It found Waldo. We did it. All right, that's it. We're done. We're done now. We can live life happily. And then it also has a candidate Waldo over here, because that does look like Waldo. You have to agree, that kind of does look like Waldo, right? That does look like Waldo, even though Waldo is really right here. We did it, you guys. We did it. We're done. We did it. Congratulations. All right, there's one error left, but we're not going to fix that. We're not going to fix that. There's one error. It gives the full status. Jake the dog. Ooh, I know. Isn't it cool? It works. We built it. The AI, you guys. An AI agent. What? Waldo days of hiding are over. I know. Waldo can no longer hide. Waldo is not safe. Waldo thought he was safe. He thought he could blend in the crowd. Not anymore. But also the AI has some bias towards what Waldo looks like, and we're going to have some false positives. So if you happen to dress like Waldo, beware. Done with the stream. We succeeded at life. We have the AI Waldo detector that works. It does a good job. It finds Waldo successfully, including another Waldo candidate, which is totally fine. I think we're good. That's as far as I want to go. We could optimize it further, but we're done. We did it.